Hi, acting students. I just want to touch base with the last video announcement of the year. Today is Wednesday, May 20th. The first thing I need you guys to do is to take the monologue performance survey. Based off of those results, I'm going to decide what we're actually going to do for our performance of these monologues, okay? You need to get that survey in by this Friday by 1:30 so I can review the results and then tell you what your actual expectation is for our performance as you go into the weekend. So I will post those results by Friday at 2 o'clock so you know what to expect for your performance, monologue performance. Then you also need to check out my feedback on your monologue, selecting a monologue. I'm gonna give you guys some tips, some pointers, or tell you if your monologue isn't really gonna work out very well, or if you need to extend it. That was what I saw. A lot of people had really, really short ones, and I'm like, can we make them a little bit longer? So check out my feedback so that way you can actually start to then rehearse for that monologue, and then we're going to perform them next week. When you do your monologue next week, no matter whether we're going to do it live in a Google Hangout or if you're going to record it, it does not need to be memorized. Okay, guys, I'm not expecting that from you. But it's going to be basically like that practice monologue that you did, but instead you got to pick this monologue and then you're going to be the character. My one little hesitation, guys, is that I don't want you just to mimic whatever was done in the show or the movie that you saw. Make it your own, don't just do whatever that actor did. You can look at the lines and kind of make it how you want to do. Do your own facial expressions, your own gestures. Don't just mimic whatever they just did. Okay, so your homework is to complete the survey for Friday at 1:30, and then you are going to start practicing your own monologue for our performances next week based off of the feedback that I gave you on your select a monologue assignment. Okay, guys, well, I get to see your faces next week, hopefully.